If you're using Samsung earbuds and wondering whether the upgrade is worth it this year, the comparison between Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is definitely an interesting one. On paper, both are premium wireless earbuds from Samsung with advanced audio, adaptive noise cancellation, and deep Galaxy ecosystem integration. But the newer model brings some meaningful upgrades in sound, connectivity, and smart features. So in this video, let's break down everything from design and audio to battery life and AI features to find out whether the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are actually worth upgrading to. First, let's start with the design. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro introduced a completely new look for Samsung's earbuds with a stem-style blade design, moving away from the older bean-shaped models. They feature silicone ear tips for better isolation and comfort, along with swipe and pinch gesture controls directly on the stem. The earbuds weigh about 5.4 grams each, come in silver and white, and have an IP57 water and dust resistance rating, which means they can survive sweat, rain, and even brief water exposure. The case also adopted a new transparent lid design that makes the buds visible when closed. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro keep a similar overall concept but refine the design further. Samsung improved the ergonomics using extensive ear-shaped data, and the earbuds maintain a canal-style fit with silicone tips for stronger passive noise isolation. They also add head gesture controls, meaning you can nod or shake your head to accept or reject calls. Durability remains strong with IP57 protection, and the earbuds still use a compact clamshell case design. Overall, the difference here isn't dramatic, but the newer model focuses on better comfort, smarter controls, and a more polished build. Next, let's talk about sound quality, which is one of the biggest reasons someone might upgrade. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro already offer impressive audio hardware with a dual driver system consisting of a 10.5mm dynamic woofer and a 6.1mm planar tweeter. This setup is paired with a dual amplifier architecture and supports 24-bit by 96 kHz ultra-high quality audio streaming when using Samsung's seamless codec on compatible Galaxy devices. The goal here is to deliver deeper bass from the dynamic driver and clearer highs from the planar tweeter, resulting in a more detailed soundstage compared with earlier Galaxy Buds models. However, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro push things further. They feature an upgraded two-way speaker system with a larger 11mm super wide woofer and a dedicated tweeter, which improves bass depth and reduces distortion by roughly 20% compared to the previous generation. They also maintain 24-bit by 96 kHz high-resolution audio support, but with improved tuning and adaptive EQ that automatically adjusts based on the fit of the earbuds in your ears. In practice, this means stronger bass response, clearer highs, and more accurate sound separation, especially when paired with newer Galaxy phones. Now let's move to noise cancellation and ambient sound. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro come with adaptive active noise cancellation, which automatically adjusts noise filtering based on your surroundings. They also include ambient sound mode, allowing outside sound to pass through when needed. Additional features like voice detect and siren detect can automatically lower your music and boost external sound when someone speaks to you or when important alerts like emergency vehicles are detected. With the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, Samsung refined this system even more. The earbuds now include enhanced adaptive ANC, which analyzes environmental noise in real time and dynamically adjusts cancellation levels. Samsung also improved wind noise reduction and added smarter adaptive EQ adjustments for different listening environments. These improvements don't completely reinvent ANC, but they make the experience smoother and more responsive during everyday use. Connectivity is another area where the newer model stands out. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro use Bluetooth 5.4, supporting modern wireless features such as LE Audio, Auracast broadcast audio, and Samsung's seamless codec for high-resolution streaming. They also support AAC and SBC codecs along with auto switch for easy device switching between Galaxy phones, tablets, and laptops. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro upgrade connectivity to Bluetooth 6.1, which offers improved power efficiency, better stability, and lower latency. They still support Auracast, Samsung Seamless Codec, AAC, SBC, and LC3, but the new Bluetooth version ensures more reliable connections and faster pairing with compatible devices. If you regularly switch between multiple devices, this upgrade could make a noticeable difference. Another important area is microphones and call quality. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro include 3 microphones per earbud plus a voice pickup unit, helping isolate your voice during calls and reduce background noise. Samsung also added super wideband call support up to 16 kHz, which improves clarity when talking on supported Galaxy devices. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro improve call quality further with what Samsung calls super clear call technology, combining machine learning noise reduction with improved microphone placement. The earbuds also integrate with Galaxy AI features for voice commands, assistant access, and real-time translation, making them smarter when paired with compatible Samsung devices. Speaking of AI features, both models include Samsung's Galaxy AI ecosystem features. The Buds 3 Pro support real-time interpreter mode, voice commands, and 360 audio sound, which tracks your head movement to create a more immersive listening experience when watching compatible content. The Buds 4 builds on that foundation by improving AI translation and adding gesture-based controls using head movement, along with deeper integration with Samsung's Assistant and device ecosystem. These features allow for hands-free interaction, smarter audio adjustments, and easier control without touching the earbuds. Battery life is surprisingly similar between the two generations. The Buds 3 Pro include 53 mAh batteries in each earbud and a 515 mAh charging case, delivering up to 6 hours of playback with ANC on or 7 hours without ANC on, and up to 30 hours total with the case. With ANC on, the total runtime drops slightly to around 26 hours with the case, but overall battery performance stays roughly the same as the previous generation. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro launched at around $249, positioning them as Samsung's flagship earbuds for 2024. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro continue that trend with a similar launch price of $249, meaning the upgrade doesn't cost more than the previous generation, it simply replaces it in the lineup. So the big question is, should you upgrade? If you already own the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the upgrade isn't absolutely necessary because the core experience, great sound, strong ANC, and long battery life, is already very similar. But if you want better audio tuning, Bluetooth 6.1 connectivity, improved ANC, smarter AI features, and gesture controls, then the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro do offer meaningful improvements. However, if you're still using older Galaxy Buds like the Buds 2 Pro or earlier models, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are a much bigger leap forward and might be the better long-term choice. At the end of the day, both earbuds are excellent premium options. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro remain powerful and feature-packed, while the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro refine the formula with smarter technology and improved audio performance. So whether you should upgrade really depends on how much those incremental improvements matter to you.